Hi, here's the fast version of this video where we will recycle these glass jars using all of these lovely bits and pieces here. I found a lovely little piece of rust that was curved the same as the glass, so I'm going to use it. And what better to show it off than using some of my rust dyed eco printing. I start with one piece as a background, but I end up changing my mind. I could put it on a different one, this one. And it's got a hem on it, and I can fold that hem up and it's a pocket ready made. So once I pop all of these bits and pieces in, just like that, and can you see that rust? That rust, I really wanted to use that. Alright, so I'm going to put it on top of that plain piece of fabric I had, stitch through in places so that I make little separations in that pocket. So that, maybe I can stick things in there that I find along the way. So just a few ordinary running stitches to hold it all together and make our little pockets, and then we can fold it around our little glass jar, flap the end over, fold it over, and then stitch it up like this. And doesn't it look good to start with? But we're not finished yet. I'm adding some bits and pieces as I see it. Look, I've got some copper wire, some brass wire. There's that bit of rust I want to use, some beads. So the next step is I'm going to try and attach that piece of rust. It's already curved. I use the wire and I wrap it around and around and around to keep it there. And then I start to think, what else can I do? And I'm thinking, well, I could thread a few little beads on, dangle a few little bits and pieces off those wires whilst I'm at it so that they're not just holding it down. See there? I've used some nice beads and a copper ring. And look, I can get some of these natural elements in by just popping it into the pockets. I'm making a little tassel here to finish. I put an I Ching coin on, and look at it. I think we've done pretty good. Now, if you'd like to see more detail, the full version of this video and also the eco-printed fabric one is in the links below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press like if you have, and subscribe.